Dear students, today we will solve one example of bonus shares in subject Advanced Accounting and Auditing paper 4 for class 2nd year BCom semester 4 Veer Narmad South Gujarat University. Here is the example. The balance sheet of Cosmos Limited as at 31st March 2013. Liabilities: issue and paid up capital 4,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each, rupees 80 paid up, amount 3,20,000. Under reserve and surplus we have capital redemption reserve rupees 70,000, securities premium rupees 60,000, general reserve rupees 1 lakh, profit and loss account rupees 3 lakh, sundry creditors rupees 1,50,000. Total rupees 10 lakh. On asset side we have sundry assets rupees 10 lakh. The directors recommended the following with a view to capitalizing whole of securities premium account, capital redemption reserve account, general reserve and rupees 50,000 out of profit and loss account. First point, the existing shares be made fully paid without the shareholders having to pay anything. And number 2, each shareholder to be given fully paid up bonus shares at a premium of 25% for the remaining amount in proportion to his holding. Assuming that the scheme is accepted and that all formalities are gone through, give journal entries and also show in what proportion bonus shares will be distributed among shareholders. Dear students, let us understand the question first. Here we have 4,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each, rupees 80 per share paid up. It means our equity shares are partly paid up. Per share rupees 20 unpaid call. So total unpaid call amount would be 4,000 equity shares multiply 20. So it would be 80,000 rupees. So if company wants to make partly paid up shares fully paid up by giving bonus to them as per point number 1, company must give bonus of rupees 80,000 out of the free reserve. That we will see at later stage. Here we have to use, see here in paragraph it is mentioned, capitalizing whole of securities premium account. It means company is going to utilize entire 60,000 rupees out of securities premium. Then capital redemption reserve account full amount 70,000, general reserve full amount rupees 1 lakh, and out of profit and loss account only 50,000 will be utilized for the issue of bonus. So 70,000 capital redemption reserve account, 60,000 securities premium account, 1 lakh general reserve and 50,000 from profit and loss account will be used for the bonus purpose. How the bonus will be given? To make partly paid up shares fully paid up. Already we have seen, to make our partly paid up equity shares fully paid up, company needs to give bonus of rupees 80,000, that is 4,000 equity shares multiplied by 20. Okay, and these 80,000 will be provided out of free reserve, and that is general reserve. So out of 1 lakh, 80,000 will be used for partly paid up bonus shares, and now remaining 70,000 capital redemption reserve, 60,000 securities premium, 20,000 general reserve and 50,000 profit and loss account will be utilized for giving bonus shares to fully paid up equity shares at a premium of 25%. Okay, after this let us see the solution of example. First of all, total amount to be capitalized, already it is discussed, Securities premium 60,000, capital redemption reserve 70,000, general reserve 1 lakh, and profit and loss account rupees 50,000. So total reserve available for bonus is 2 lakh 80,000. Out of these 2 lakh 80,000, reserve to be utilized for issuing bonus for partly paid up shares equal to 80,000. That we have already seen. 4,000 equity shares multiply rupees 20, it would be 80,000. So remaining balance would be rupees 2 lakh. That is capital redemption reserve 70,000, securities premium 60,000, general reserve 20,000, and profit and loss account 50,000. So total balance 2 lakh. These 2 lakh rupees will be utilized for issuing bonus shares to fully paid up equity shares at a premium of rupees 25 per share. So number of bonus shares would be equal to rupees 2 lakh divided by 100 face value plus 25 premium, that is 125. So bonus shares would be 1600. That's all. Now we will pass journal entries in the books of company. Journal entries in the books of Cosmos Limited. First, for bonus for partly paid up shares. Our first entry for provision of bonus. Entry: general reserve account debit rupees 80,000 to shareholders bonus account rupees 80,000. Our second entry for share final calls due on equity shares. And accounting entry is shares final call account debit rupees 80,000 to equity share capital account rupees 80,000. And last, third entry is for issue of bonus to make shares fully paid up. And our accounting entry: shareholders bonus account debit rupees 80,000 to shares final call account rupees 80,000. Dear students, here you can simply check shareholders bonus account was credited in first entry and the same account is debited in third entry, so account gets closed. Same way, share final call account is debited in second entry and the same account is credited in third entry, so that account is also closed. And finally, the remaining account is general reserve account debit, that is utilized, and equity share capital account is credited. It means now after giving bonus to partly paid up shares, our equity shares become fully paid up and general reserve balance decreased by rupees 80,000 because it is utilized. Now we will see journal entries for issuing bonus shares to fully paid up shareholders. Here are the entries. First entry for provision for bonus for fully paid up shares. And our accounting entry, dear students, here there is a printing mistake. Partly paid up is written, but this is not partly paid up, this is for fully paid up shares. And our accounting entry is securities premium account debit 60,000, capital redemption reserve account debit 70,000, general reserve account debit 20,000, profit and loss account debit 50,000 to shareholders bonus account rupees 2 lakh. And second entry for issue of bonus shares. So our entry will be shareholders bonus account debit rupees 2 lakh to equity share capital account, that is 1600 equity shares multiply face value rupees 100, it is 1,60,000, to securities premium account 1600 shares multiply rupees 25, that is rupees 40,000. Dear students, here Cosmos Limited is issuing bonus shares at a premium of rupees 25 per share, and that is why securities premium account is credited. Now here we are asked to calculate the bonus ratio. Okay, so let us understand the bonus ratio. Our existing shares are 4,000 shares, and against 4,000 shares company is issuing 1600 equity shares. So our bonus ratio would be 1600 bonus shares divided by 4,000 existing shares as per the balance sheet. By reducing it, we get 2 by 5. 2 8s are 16 and 5 8s are 40. So reduced ratio amounts to 2 divided by 5. It means 2 bonus shares for every 5 shares held by equity share holders. So our ratio of bonus issue is 2 shares for every 5 shares held by the equity share holder. That's all. Dear students, Here I complete the example, but for you people I give you one practice work to prepare amended balance sheet after giving effect of bonus shares that we have prepared in our last example solved. Dear students, thank you very much for watching this video lecture. Very soon we will meet with another example in the same subject. Thank you very much.